Hey guys, tonight I'm going to show you how I curl my hair, maintain the curls in my hair without any heat. Right now I'm currently, how many weeks am I? 9 weeks post relaxer, so this week Friday, I'm sorry, I'm going to give myself a touch up. But meantime, I'm going to show you how I curl it using Flexi-Rods, and hopefully I'll show you how it looks tomorrow morning if I'm not too tired. Alright, so right now I'm going to use Be Mine Luscious Cream Moisturizer on my hair. Let me get the Flexi-Rods. I use the purple ones. And what I do basically is I take a section of hair. I don't use a comb either while doing this at all. I just take some and just rub it on just to moisturize it. And boy, let me tell you, when I use this moisturizer here from Be Mine, it may not feel like much right now as I'm doing it on my hair, but in the morning, oh my gosh, my hair is so soft and so shiny. It's crazy. Take the Flexi-Rod, put it like right near the middle. I'm going to say the middle of the hair. Take it. I hope you can see this. Wrap it around. Just wrap it around, keep wrapping it around, and then roll it under. This way, and then just flip it like that. This way I get a lot of beach waves in my hair. So and you know, this cream, it doesn't weigh my hair down. Like I have curls. I mean, I don't know if you can see, I have a little bit of waves left, but all throughout the day, I still maintain my beach waves. I know it before when I first tried it, I didn't really particularly care for how it felt on my hair. I don't know why it didn't. Maybe I should have waited till the next morning. I don't know. But I try to put this all over my head, these curls. Give myself a full head of curls. And no, it's not too tight, because the way I am curling it, it just falls into waves. Take it, wrap it around, curl under, and bend. These things are so comfortable to sleep on. Whew, my arms are getting tired. I'm going to do 2 more. It's like a mousse kind of this stuff. Just take it. This here, I like to kind of do it sideways. need that much either. Trying to get my edges because they are kind of rough, boy. Usually after I take the Flexi-Rods off out in the morning, I'll put a band around the front because I'm looking a little rough there. Okay, so now I'm going to finish my whole head and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So now I am done putting all the Flexi-Rods in my head. I want you to see the back. All in. And what I do next is just take a bonnet and just put it over my curls. My rollers, I should say. And that's it. Off to sleep. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Flexi-Rods out. Still not using a comb. Another brown one. This one doesn't have any metal on the back of it. I think this is, I forgot the name of where I got this from. Scrunchy I think it is. I don't know. But hold on, let me just put this on. That's it. So just put on my earrings. There we go. So I like it. It's bouncy, and I've gotten so many compliments. This one girl asked me, "Is it a half wig?" Okay. Like, I guess because of my edges being so, you know, rough looking, and the back is like shiny and more defined, whatever, I don't know. But yeah, that was crazy. I can't wait to get a touch up. Okay, well that's it. That's what I do. That's what I'm doing now until my touch up Friday, and I like it. It's soft. It's not greasy. I mean, you see a little grease, but it's not greasy. I don't know if you know what I'm trying to get at. It's light. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I come home tonight. So you could have an idea if I remember to do it. So don't hold me to it, but I'm gonna try when I come home from the gym. Matter of fact.